Alright, so today I'm just gonna take out I'm actually parting out, taking out the RNS-510, replacing with the stock RCD-510, and I'm just gonna get started right here. Should be a simple part out, hopefully. Then again, with my type of luck, doesn't always seem that way, you know? So all I do right here is pry open the sides. This is one of the hardest things, I think, because you don't want to break the tabs. So most likely I'm going to edit this part out. Alright, so I took the tabs out. Now I have to take this part out. So I need a Phillips head and all that. Not Phillips head. My bad. Might be a T20. Most likely a T20. T20. Alright, so I have to pop out this. You actually don't need to pop this out. I just need to pop that out to remove the GPS antenna that I had installed. Alright, so everything looks good here. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to test everything. Okay, so this is the power. This is the video input, so hopefully this works. Alright, so I'm putting everything back together. Alright, got the inputs going in. Last input right here. Alright. Hopefully everything's good. We'll see where the keys at. Where are my keys at? It seems to work. Response time is a lot faster.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start.